7 subscribers away from 1,000, which is literally so exciting. Guess what your girl is back into. I look literally insane. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. It's Monday, 3:30 on a Monday, February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day. Clearly, this vlog was not planned because I look like this, and it's also 3:30 on a Monday, and I just wasn't planning on picking up the camera to vlog today, and then like 3 p.m. hit, and I was like, you know what? I kind of feel like vlogging. And then I was like, should I put makeup on and like do my hair and like look presentable? And then I realized that I don't do that anyways when I vlog. Like, I've never been one to like put on makeup for the camera, so I don't know why I would start now. So you guys are getting me the real authentic content. Anyways, like I said, today's Monday. I just feel like today is like the Mondayest Monday ever. I have no motivation to do anything. I've had such a chaotic week and weekend, and I'm continuing to have a really chaotic month in general. So I kind of feel like overwhelmed and just did not feel like doing anything today. But I do need to be semi-productive and like plan out grad school work and plan out YouTube and stuff like that. Speaking of YouTube, I'm pretty sure as of today we are like 7 subscribers away from 1,000, which is literally so exciting. It was my February goal to hit 1,000, and it's like what, halfway through February, a little bit over halfway through February, and we've almost completed that goal. So that is absolutely insane to me. So I'm really excited to hit that. So if you're new around here and you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. Help us get to 1,000 because I am really freaking excited. That's been my goal since I started YouTube, was to hit the 1,000 mark, and the fact that we're almost there is insane to me. I kind of feel like I blacked out and don't know what happened, but here we are, and I love it. Like I said, need to plan out grad school. I'm working today, but I'm on my lunch break, which is why I'm sitting down and filming this intro now while I'm on my lunch break. So I'm just gonna take you guys through, like, I guess my Monday evening, halfway through the day, spontaneous impromptu vlog. Let's get it started.
You drank too much. You said I only want you, when we woke up.
This is the current setup. I have my iPad here, my work laptop up there, and then my personal laptop over here, and then I have my agenda. So I went through, and I do this every single week, normally on Sundays, but yesterday was Valentine's Day, obviously, so I spent the entire day with my boyfriend and honestly didn't do any work. Like, I didn't do YouTube work, I didn't do my 9-to-5 work, I didn't do schoolwork, I just let it be. I feel like sometimes you just need to let that happen. You just need to let things be and to be a normal human without any responsibilities. So I didn't do anything yesterday, so I didn't plan out my grad school work yesterday. So I just went through the module for this week. I can't believe my first class of grad school is literally almost over. I have next week, and then my first class is over, and then I have a 4 to 5 day break, I think, and then my second class starts. But it's crazy to me that this first class is almost over. I feel like it literally flew by. I went through module 6 for the week, just like kind of planned out what I needed to do and what was due this week. I did it on my phone first just to list out everything, and then I basically picked which day I wanted to do each assignment. I don't know if you guys can see that. So as you can see, I kind of have like a list of like, on Tuesday I'm gonna do those things, Wednesday I'm gonna do those things, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I also have when things are due just to make it easier to look at. And then sometimes I'll put like my personal to-do list on here, but I mainly only use this agenda for school just because it's easier for me to keep track of things. Also, the space is kind of small, so if I put like YouTube, personal stuff, and schoolwork into this agenda, I honestly just don't think it would fit. I would just have to get like a huge notebook at that point, or like a massive agenda, and I don't want to do that. That just seems like a lot of work. So anyways, I planned out my week. I'm watching vlogs. Currently I've been watching vlogs all day. I literally haven't sat down and watched YouTube since Thursday, I think. So I have a lot to catch up on, but I kind of like days like this where it's just, I have like so much content to watch, and I feel like all the YouTubers that I follow are very, give off good vibes, so it's not like an overwhelming amount of content. Having a chill YouTube day, doing some schoolwork, doing my 9-to-5, hanging out. It's about 4:20 now, according to my microwave. I don't even know if that clock is correct, but I'm starting to hit like a midday slump. Actually, it's not even really midday, late day slump. I do still have a lot of work to do, and I'm not finished with work yet, and I'm also headed over to my friend's apartment tonight to watch The Bachelor. You guys know that I do that on Mondays, it's kind of my night where I go over there, spend the night, and then I work there the next day. That's just like been my routine for the past few months now. It kind of like gets me out of my apartment, allows me to socialize, and it's like just like something really fun to look forward to. But I'm heading to that in a little bit as well, and I'm literally can feel myself fading. I'm like sitting at my dining room table trying to do work and zoning out. So guess what your girl is back into. If you are an OG on this channel, like have been around since I was probably at like 300, 400 subscribers, I was literally the advocate for Celsius. Like, I lived for Celsius. This was like my favorite thing to look forward to every day, and then I got off of it for a while, honestly, since I moved here, because you really can't find Celsius in the stores around here, or at least not my stores. Like, my Target doesn't have it. I know my friend's Target has it, but it's literally a hike. I actually went ahead and ordered a 12. I think that's 12. A 12 pack off Amazon the other day. Definitely was not the cheapest option, but it needed to be done. So we're back on the Celsius kick. So I'm gonna drink some of this. It'll pick me up. The best flavor is sparkling watermelon by far. It's so good. It's not too sweet, but it's also not sweet, and it's just the best. Such a good midday pick me up, because it also doesn't like make you crash, which is like what I enjoy about this beverage. The lighting in this apartment is so harsh, but I hope that's it. I am going to take off my nails because this is what they look like. I'm well aware that that is literally hideous. So I was gonna just take a nail polish take my nail polish off and then file them down and then paint a new color on, but honestly I put this color on and it literally chipped the next day, and that's so frustrating to me. So I'm just gonna take the nail polish off and cut my nails down to a nub because I can, because I'm tired of painting my nails. I'm honestly thinking about going to get my nails done soon, probably like the end of February, because I know that the last 2 weeks, and I might go get acrylics back on, because I do miss the girls. I miss the acrylics. They were just kind of like a pain in the butt to keep up with, and it's also definitely not cheap, and it's not really cheap to get your nails done in New York at all, unfortunately. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to feel cute, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this nail polish and cut my nails down to a little nub, because this is just a really heinous look.
It was obvious you only came through cause you had nothing to do. When we woke up, you were gone. You said
they're officially nubs. Thank the Lord. Alright, I just finished work for the day and I need to pack my bag to go over to my friend's apartment, but I also need to cook dinner. But before I do any of that, I'm really in the mood to like wipe down my counters and my bathroom sink and unload the dishwasher and everything a little bit. I feel like I haven't really been in my apartment that much in the past few days, so things are just starting to like pile up and things feel like a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna do like a really quick cleaning session. I'm not gonna make this like a deep cleaning thing, but I do want to like wipe down the counters, at least like wipe down my bathroom sink, maybe do some like the door handles and stuff like that, potentially run the vacuum. But I just feel like that'll help make things feel a little bit less gross, because things feel just like a little bit nasty at the moment. So we're gonna do a little quick cleaning montage.
you never ever let me go, but you just didn't wanna be alone. Sometimes it's better to be lonely than to fuck up somebody. You just didn't wanna be alone. You just didn't wanna be alone.
I feel so much better now that my space is a little bit more clean. It just smells even better than here. I've had a candle burning all day, but I don't know, there's just something about the smell of cleaning products, like lemon, especially lemon cleaning products, that really elevates the place, you know what I mean? Now I need to go ahead and pack my bag to go to my friend's house. I always use this little travel duffel bag. This is from Vera Bradley. It's black. It has like a little fun pattern on it. You can't really tell, it's like a quilted pattern. I wanted to show you guys this bag, like I was saying. It's from Vera Bradley. It's quilted and it's just plain black, and I feel like it's the perfect overnight bag. I always keep this bag stocked with little travel essentials. So I have soap, I used to have shampoo and conditioner in here, but I feel like I just tend to bring dry shampoo whenever I go over to like my boyfriend's house or my friend's apartment or something like that. Instead of bringing shampoo and conditioner, it's just easier to carry. Then I have like a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, hair clips, lotion, perfume, a comb, so on and so forth. And I never take this out of my bag. This just stays in here because I'm honestly on the go a lot. I feel like I sleep in 3 different locations every week. I'll sometimes sleep in my boyfriend's apartment, sometimes I'm sleeping at my friend's apartment, and then sometimes I'm sleeping here. And obviously when I'm sleeping here, I have everything that I need here because it's my apartment. But when I'm at like my friend's apartment or my boyfriend's apartment, I don't like keep stuff there just because I am back and forth a lot. So this is like my favorite go-to bag, and like the biggest hack is that if you travel a lot or you spend the night at other people's places a lot, is to just keep a plastic bag with like travel size products that you know and love, and always keep them in the bag. I even have like makeup wipes that I keep in here all the time. I have some travel vitamins that I keep in here all the time. Anyways, that was like my little life hack for if you do what I do and you go and spend the night at other places a lot, or even if you just travel a lot. Having a go-to travel bag is essential and key to success, so you don't forget anything. But now I do need to pack my pajamas and clothes for tomorrow. Pajamas and clothes for tomorrow because like I said, I am working there, so I want to have something comfy, cozy, and I also need something to wear tonight to spend the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and pack this bag up a little bit more.
I called you up because I had nothing to do. I was a little confused.
Now it's all ready to go, and I can go ahead and put it down over here so I don't forget it. And I also need to go ahead and pack my backpack and put like my work laptop in there, my actual laptop, all of the cords and stuff that I'll need, and any like notebooks and agendas that I need for school. This is actually wild. I'm literally 6 subscribers away from hitting 1K, and I cannot believe it. I've just been like slowly watching my sub count go up all day, so there's like a good chance that I might hit it tonight or tomorrow. I'll probably hit it like definitely tomorrow, but there's a good chance I'll hit it tonight, and I'm literally like so excited. This is so surreal to me. I'm getting ready to make dinner. I'm just doing vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's. I've mentioned this a few times before, but this is just such an easy meal. I normally have it for lunch, but I'm honestly not in the mood to make dinner. And it's just quick and easy. It literally takes like 5 minutes on the stove top, and all I have to do is put olive oil, a little bit of salt, and some garlic powder is what I mix with it, and then I'll be ready to eat.
When you picked up and said hello, it's obvious you're not looking for love, but a night with you is just enough. And now I never wanna let you go, 'cause I know what it's like to be alone. I know it's better to be lonely than to fuck up somebody. I don't really wanna be alone.
Action, go. End off the vlog.
Matt James is an idiot. Don't want to see him with anyone. They all deserve way better. I don't know what else to say about this show. That's what I got.
Good night, vlog.
Good night, Moon. Good night, stars. Good night, Matt James.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you definitely subscribe if you haven't, because our girl is about to hit 1K. Woo! And yeah, I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't want to stick around. She rocks. So with that in mind, hit that subscribe button.
The person who has her 1,000 subscribers is gonna get $1,000.
With that,
Good night.